If you're looking for a solution for too few outlets that creates a mess of charging blocks everywhere, this QINLIANF 5 outlet extender transforms one duplex outlet into 5 AC outlets plus 4 USB ports, eliminating the need for multiple charging adapters. The 3-sided design with 2.1-inch spacing accommodates bulky plugs without blocking other outlets. Built-in 1680J surge protection safeguards your devices, while the wall mount screw prevents the unit from falling out when unplugging devices. Smart charging technology automatically delivers optimal power to phones, tablets, and other USB devices for faster, safer charging.